Toyota is investing 4.4 billion pesos to begin local assembly of the Next Generation Tamaraw at its Santa Rosa vehicle manufacturing facility. This was revealed by Toyota Motor Corporation Chairman Akio Toyoda during the 35th anniversary celebration of Toyota Motor Philippines at the Grand Hyatt Manila and Bonifacio Global City. Toyota led the presentation of the IMV0 concept on which the Next Generation Tamaraw is based. Two concepts were presented, a Tamaraw pickup and a Tamaraw modern PUV jeepney.
And I'm very pleased to say that in 2024, for the first time ever, IMV vehicles such as this, Next Generation Tamaraw, will be produced as CDUs right here in the Philippines at our Santa Rosa plant.
In his welcome speech, TMP Chairman Alfred T. touted the company's milestones and achievements over 35 years.
From a startup of about 20 people, Toyota Motor Philippines is now close to 4,000 strong. As of mid-year 2023, we have locally produced 1.03 million units in the factory, delivered a cumulative total of 2.24 million units to Filipino homes across all over the country. In terms of contributing to the economy, TMP and Toyota Group have cumulatively invested 73.7 billion pesos, paid duties and taxes of 448 billion pesos, and exported $18.76 billion worth of auto parts and components.
TMP Chairman T also outlined Toyota Motor Philippines' roadmap towards the future.
Toyota's roadmap to a cleaner, carbon-neutral world includes multiple pathways. We believe it begins with hybrid electric vehicles that are fun to drive, yet helpful in reducing emission and increasing fuel efficiency, without the need for a charging infrastructure network. In time, as readiness for full battery electric charging stations mature and car users are more prepared to adapt these new technologies, Toyota will be there for you. Our mission is to provide mobility for all Filipinos based on which technology fits your needs and your circumstances.